Hi guys, I'll be making it's lasagna, but they're also known as capellini nests. You can get them from most Asian supermarkets or even little shops and stuff. You're going to need some butter. You can either use an option of white sugar or brown sugar, but I'm going to use the brown sugar. So I've got some brown sugar. It depends on how sweet you want them. You don't have to make them too sweet. Personally, I like a lot of sweet foods, so my sugar is probably going to be, it's not going to be too much, but it will be just right because I have reduced my sugar as well. But you'll need some butter. I'm going to be using the willow butter. Oops. So I'll just put it on like a medium flame. You'll need around about 50 grams of butter. Around about 50 grams. So it depends on how many nests you're making as well. So I'll only be making about two nests. You just have to melt the butter in the pan like so, and then you'll get out your nests of capellini, and then you can add, it depends on how many you're making. So I'm going to be making 2 today, 2 nests. So I'll show you. You need 50 grams of butter, and just 2 capellini nests. These don't need to be washed, by the way, because they're clean. So the butter's melted in the pan, so I'm just going to add these like so. It's on a low flame to prevent it burning, because it can burn quite easily otherwise when they're added into the butter. You just need to let these like cook in the butter for a little while, for a few minutes. I have put the flame up a little bit because some of my butter didn't melt. I'll show you, but it's nearly melted now. So you just have to cook these until they're like a medium brown colour. You'll need some water, so you'll need about half a cup. Put 1 cup, but you may need only 1 cup of water. And you'll see like the nest will slowly start to open up, and that's when you know that they're cooking properly.